In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a mind map using templates in Canva. So first open up Canva, then in the left panel, make sure that you are in the templates section or page. Now go to the search bar and simply type in mind map. Then press enter. So here basically browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your style or topic. So click in and customizes template to open in the editor. Now here customize the template by editing the main topic in the center, and of course make sure that you update the branches with your ideas or subtopics. You can also add more elements by going to the Elements tab in the left panel, and here you can start inserting lines, shapes, or icons to expand your map. You can also change colors, fonts, and layout to match your design and make it easier to understand. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.